Here I am again, folks, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating a cool radio out of a 1968 Cadillac DeVille convertible. And the convertible part kind of explains why this customer is going with a new harness in place of the original connectors, because with a new harness you're going to have a heck of a lot more output power to overcome that road noise. This comes from Dave in Ferndale, Washington, and Dave has requested the modern internal FM conversion, which is not really an FM conversion because the radio was already AM and FM, but it gives it all brand new electronics. He's also requested the Bluetooth and HD radio features. So we're here to make sure everything works before we send it back. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I receive in my area so we can demonstrate the balance and fader functions during talk radio. So here we go.
Prohibit me from talking about these things. We don't know how it's going to play out, but he's soon supposed to appear
front
up
rear
on
fader.
Capitol Hill. Even though the house is in recess, there's still a lot of work going on behind the scenes. Dr.
Fader adjust.
For the Oversight Committee. We got lots to continue to talk about here on the Brian Kilmeade Show. Stay with us. We're going to be right back.
Fader set.
Okay. Left-right balance. Try it again.
Balance adjust.
All the way left.
My dad had a fall last week, and now more than ever, I'm worried about him being home alone, but I'm not sure what to do next.
Center.
If Dad wants to stay at home instead, balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We don't need this stuff anymore. Bluetooth pairing.
As a locally owned Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. So switch that. Now we're on FM.
Oxendale GMC. We are almost here, and this year it's
About that, that's a jewel of.
That one drifted a little bit.
106.5 Juan
Reset it.
FM. Hoy día en Frisco.
The appropriation.
Tener una temperatura
There we go.
bordeando los
Okay, make sure to dial-light. Oh, there's no dial-light on this radio, but there is an orange dial-light wire in the new harness that can be connected to the dash lighting circuit. And if you, like some of these radios are sent in with the dial-light snaps in place on the top of it. I kind of maybe feel a little hole where that snaps in place. Sometimes that's included, sometimes not. But at any rate, this orange wire, if you still have the dial-light, if there is an external dial-light, this orange wire can be connected to it. So that takes care of it. She's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order off the home page of that website before calling me with a bunch of questions about what all do you do and how much does it cost, because that's all going to be explained in the work order as you're filling it out. And then that way, if you still want to call me, it's just for a quick couple minutes, just a quick chat, get to know me and trust me, something like that. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Dave, for your business all the way from Ferndale, Washington, and we'll see you next time.